Hi guys, this is Akrita and welcome to my channel. So today, this video I'll be sharing my skincare, what products I use for my skin, and also share some tips about skincare. Okay, so let's get started. And so, since skin is very much a important aspect of like important part of a body, and it deserves this called care and respect. So it's very important that we use proper products and products which actually can be useful. So and there's also, our skin is different from our face to our neck to our body, so and each of them require a little bit different care. So I've divided it into face, my hands, and then my body, which the different type of products that I use, and also lip products as well. And these are the products which I use, which I find that work for me, and also which have worked for me as a 22-year-old adult. So let's get started. Okay. So for my face wash, I usually use the brand of Cetaphil, but I do not have it right now with me because I'm almost done with this, but I can't find it right now, but I use that. And I also use this as a moisturizer, this brand. And I also use this Clinique 7-day scrub cream as exfoliator during once a week. If I want to exfoliate my skin, I use that. And I also use this Clinique Moisture Surge Overnight Mask, which is almost done. This for my skin, and sometimes I apply it overnight. And this Clinique Moisture Surge cream, which I found it to be quite nice and hydrating. And another Clinique moisturizing lotion, which also works. And for my eyes, I usually use this Clinique eye cream, and this also Clinique eye cream. And for usually, for the eyes part of your it's quite delicate and the skin is quite thin, so I try to specifically, even if I'm every day on the go, I take this moisturizer and I apply another dot on it just for extra moisture. And for sunscreen, I use the La Shield sunscreen or the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer sunscreen, and I find them to be quite effective and quite useful for my skin type, which is a combination type of skin type, which has oily skin, dry skin, and a combination T-zone. So you can Google that and find out that if you share the same skin type as me. And then one of the best products I feel like is so underrated is Vaseline. Vaseline, the huge ass tub which I use, and I have a mini version as well with me, which I carry in my purse. But I also have this, and I love it because you can use it on your body, every part of your skin, and it's so friendly for most skin types. And it's moisturizing. You can use it overnight, and then you can use it under your eye, a little bit on your lips as well. So it's very good. And then coming to lip products, so I struggle with having chapped lips, or having this issue of having chapped lips, basically, even though how much of water I drink or how much lip balm I apply throughout the day. And sometimes I struggle with it. So I feel like my friend gifted me this Laneige sleeping mask. If you can see it, it works wonders. It's small, but it lasts really long. You need a little bit of it, and I almost used it, you can see. And it's yeah, it's just works wonders. Just apply a little bit of it before you apply your makeup, and it keeps your lip product looking really nice, I will tell you that. And there's another thing I'm obsessed with, which is this lip ointment, which my cousin's sister got me from. And there's another one, this SPF 30K Skin Lip Balm. Let me put it like this. Yeah, it looks like this. And yeah, this is very nice. I really like these products. And so and another Biotique lip balm, I really like that. And for my other chapsticks that I have, so these are usually the colored ones which I use, and these colored ones are quite nice. And but they're Maybelline Baby Lips chapsticks, but the thing with them is that they're less moisturizing and more of a color. So sometimes if you want some color, then it's really good. And Maybelline does have SPF protection, so that's very important. And for my hands, I like to have a hand cream in all times sake, so I do that. So currently I'm obsessed with Clinique Happy moisturizer, which and I also have it in this version, and I'm obsessed with it. And I also have the White Jasmine hand cream, which I also like. This smell from it's from Bath and Body Works, and I like the scent of jasmine, so yeah, it's quite nice. And I use this body lotion as well. And I sometimes usually preferably try to use this because it is because it's so much better with like no scent. And sometimes the scent gets too much, and then you apply perfume, and then this overpowering scent. So sometimes I like the fact that Cetaphil is like not unscented, and sometimes Vaseline also is much better. And yeah, so sometimes these extra products which I use. This Rose Water Skin Toner by Khadi. I use this for my skin from time to time. And I also use this charcoal mask. This charcoal mask really helps for exfoliation and removing blackheads, and I use this like at least once a week. And I do use that blackhead remover tool, but this is also really helpful. And another thing which I feel like very important is cotton swabs and micellar water. This is really good for removing your makeup, and compared to all the other products like makeup wipes and all of this stuff, I feel like this is really good. Cleansing balms are also there in the market. It's like quite good. Cleansing balms can actually be much better and less wasteful, but I also find this is quite hygienic and it's quite good. It's like very good and on the go, and like you want to remove like a little aspect of makeup that you ruined or made a mistake, and it's really good to have a Q-tip on hand or a cotton swab and then remove it and then fix it. I find this a very good product. Yeah. And I have my headband, which I use as well. Currently, this is my skincare as a 22-year-old adult, and I usually, that's probably it. And about the skincare tips, let's just get into that. And regarding skincare tips, one thing I have learned from my elder sisters to my friends, to dermatologists, to people around me who talk about skin and skincare. And I know that skincare can be thrown around quite quickly because of how popular it's gotten, especially with media and everything. But yeah, it's easy to get hyped up on that. So, but I think that what's important is to understand that skincare should be personalized. Skincare, like skin, is personal to each other. What we like, so what works for me may not work for you, and my skin type can be completely different from what your skin type is, and what products may react differently from different people. So it's very important to find what works for you, and also understand that if you have any skin issue, that skin issue can have an internal cause or an external cause. So internal could be, you know, that, and like, you know, it could be like a hormonal issue. Like sometimes acne can be caused by PCOS, so sometimes dealing with PCOS can actually help with your acne. And sometimes it could be a digestive issues, it could be a lot of gut issues, you never know. And speaking to a professional is always the best option there. And with even for external, you should speak to a professional, but also understanding that if with external causes, that could be the type of pillowcase you use, to even like the products you use and all of that. And it could be like different kinds of acne, different kinds of skin issues, very much dependent on your skin type and your skin issue. So I think it's very the best tip I would give is to understand your skin type, understand your issue. First, the first step is to understand the cause. What is it? And then work towards it. Find the products which is meant for your skin. Find the maybe medication is needed, and use it and be consistent. I know how boring it sounds, but and the fact that you should have like the most fanciest skincare and like a 10-step Korean skincare, but yeah, the best thing is consistency is important. You need to be consistent with your products to show your skin to get used to them and show the effect it needs. If you keep adding different kinds of products on your skin will understand. Just like your body is gonna be quite confused. So yeah, so skincare, consistency, be patient, give it time, understand yourself. Skincare has to be personalized, not complicated. Life cannot just be on skincare. And another tip I always say is that the skincare entirety, what I understood is it's built on the three main things, which is cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen. That's the main thing. You should have that. And anything, this is like the building blocks of a, like I said, skincare, and whatever you can choose based on your budget, to what skin type you have, what you've been recommended for your issue. You can design them what works for you, and it's going to be totally different from your friend, your social media influencer, you a follower, the celebrity you are, like following. And look at that, and then whatever you're adding addition to that main three things should be specific to your skin type and skin issue. Don't overcomplicate it, don't, just make it simple. And be proud of your skin and love your skin and give it the care and respect that it needs. Just like you give your care and respect for your hair, for your body, for your clothes, your skin also needs that. And yeah, that's it. So that's about my video, and I can share a lot more other hacks, makeup hacks, skincare hacks, a lot of other hacks, hair hacks, anything, like, if you guys would be interested in that, please let me know in the comment section. And I would love to hear from you if you have very much like my similar skin type as me, which is more brownish and more and the combination type of skin. So please let me know, and I will try to answer your comments. And if you have any issue, then if I feel like I've had the similar issue and what has worked for me, I would love to share. And yeah, cool girls do not gatekeep. We get that. So we do not gatekeep, like freaking beauty secrets. We do not. So yeah, everyone deserves to have happy, good skin. So yeah. And please show all the love and support for my channel, for my video, for my content. And please like, share, subscribe, and yeah, show some love. Thank you guys for watching my video. Bye.